In this video, we are going to look at Grifform's coved wall options. To illustrate this video, we will be using a sloping entry barrier-free shower model. Our coved wall shower bases have a 3/8 inch coved corner between the shower base's floor and the shower base's wall. When choosing different coved wall options, this changes the coved wall rim. Your shower wall material will rest on the rim of the coved wall option. This rim runs the entire length of the shower pan walls. Grifform offers 6 different coved wall options which support different wall thicknesses and adds different styling. Coved wall option 1 and 2 support 1/4 inch shower wall material. Coved wall options 3 and 4 support shower walls with a thickness of up to 1/2 inch. Coved wall option 5 supports shower walls with a thickness of up to 3/4 inches. And coved wall option 6 supports shower walls with a thickness of up to 1 1/4 inch. If you're interested in the look of a coved corner shower pan, the most important thing to consider when selecting an option is the thickness of wall that each option supports and what thickness wall material you plan on using.